Today I'm going to show you on how to move your robot straight. I'm going to be using the LEGO MINDSTORM Education EV3 Classroom application. It's a bit like the old one, but it's been updated. You want to click on New Project. This is how the user interface looks like. I'll be using the LEGO MINDSTORM EV3 Classroom program. And you want to click on Start, and you want to click on Get Moving. First, you want to make sure you save your project in case anything happens. And I'll just save mine as EV3 lesson 1. And this is what should happen. You want to have this block over here, which is the play button. Now, the program is divided by a couple of sections. This one dictates the motor section, and it shows the different commands. For example, setting your motor speed to a certain percentage, the degrees, rotations, and then next is specific movement. So to go left, to go right. And this is more for displays, so you could include different attributes to the display of the EV3 software. This is specifically for sound cues, which are quite important in programming, especially mechanical engineering. And these are other events variables like the gyro sensors or the touch sensors, which we'll be going into in a different lesson. And this is for loops, for certain variables, sensors, operators, and we will get to the rest of this later. So I have a quick program set up already. You want to have the play button over here, which you can get by scrolling down to events. Now this is a pretty important part because by clicking this, it shows the beginning of a program. Now this section over here, this block, I've gotten from the movement, which is the part right here, and it dictates which of my motors I'm going to use. Ports B and C are responsible for moving the EV3 forward. It is the two wheels separate to each other. So I've set this block over here, and the next one I've put on, I want to move forward, which you can change forward or backward. And I've decided the distance for one rotation, that is just one cycle of a wheel. You can change that by degrees if you prefer. And say, for example, you want to turn your EV3 around by 30 degrees, it will do that. Or you can do that by seconds. It will move forward for 30 seconds. And you can change the distance on that, or the speed, by this block over here, which you can get from right here. So I can add this over here, just like this, and I can change my speed. And 30 seconds is probably a really long time, so I will change that to 2 seconds. And then it can stop right there, or I can tell it to stop moving quickly. That means it will stop doing everything, which I don't want to do. This next block over here I have is to command it to wait 1 second, and then I want it to move again. So I want it to move forward for maybe 2 rotations. I want it to go backwards. And that is actually how you make your robot move. And then you'll click your program starts, and that is how you do that. To make sure you want to connect to your EV3, you want to click connect over here. You can either connect it through Bluetooth or a USB cable. Turn on your EV3 brake, enable Bluetooth, and pair your EV3 brick.